पणजी पाट्यावेल्या हॉटेल पार्क प्रायमान सी फूड फेस्टिवल घडोवन हाडला। हे फेस्टिवल 10 नोव्हेंबराक सुरू जाला। 21 नोव्हेंबर मेरेन ते चलतले।
गोंयकारां खातीर तशेंच इप्पीक भेट दिवपी पर्यटकां खातीर अस्सल सी फूड दिवपाची मोख दवरून हो उपक्रम घडोवन हाडला। गोंयकारांक जाय तशें जेवण दिवपा खातीर तांच्याच फुड्यान रूफटॉप मॅरीगोल्ड रेस्टॉरंटात सी फूड तयार करतले। गोंयांत तयार जाल्ले अस्सल मसालेच हे जेवणांत वापरतले। पार्क प्रायमाचो जनरल मॅनेजर उमेश चंद्र बेहरान ते विशीं माहिती दिल्या। पळयात।
Organize seafood festival before this international film festival starts. The festival will start today 10th of November and it will continue till 21st of November till 12 days. It will be organized in 2 of our restaurants. One, there is Tulip restaurant, it is in first floor, and second in Marigold restaurant, that is in open restaurant in 8th floor. And the timing of the restaurant is 12:30 to 3:30 is the lunch time, and during dinner time it will serve at 7 o'clock in the evening till 11 o'clock it will continue. We have different menus are there. We have a la carte menus. We have also combo menus. We have also family menus are there. So according to the choice of people, they can have their food. And it will be on live counter will be there. They can order, and in front of the guest, the food, seafood will be prepared and served to the guest in very authentic way, in a very professional manner. It has been continuously organizing 2017, sir. We are getting very good response from the beginning now, as we have our 40 covers restaurant in rooftop restaurant. Always people having prefer to sit there, and people now it is time comes people are sitting and waiting. So we are getting very good response, sir.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिग्स।